Hello again, and welcome to Ego Ashes Tarot. My name is Christian, and I am a Scorpio, Sun and Moon. This is a Scorpio channel, and I'm here to help Scorpios transform, transmute, and transcend into the Ineffable Phoenix or the Resplendent Dragon. I'm just here as a guide, just to offer some help in the form of words, wisdom, parables, metaphor. I know that this is something that resonates with Scorpio. So, that's why I'm doing this. I believe the world desperately needs leaders, high vibrational Scorpios, integrated Scorpios. This is just how I'm contributing. There's 528 hertz in the background. And for the Scorpios who like that sort of thing, take my katana. Take it with you. When you do your shadow work, when you go into the cave, when you enter your dreams, you gotta do that shadow work, Scorpio. You gotta do that shadow work. That's the key. Okay. There's a message there. Justice, innovation, contrition. Okay, the numbers are 8. 3 and 4 is 7. 8 and 7, 15. 5 and 5 is 10. 1 and 0, 1. Pardon me, excuse me. Sorry about that, Scorpios. 8. 3 and 4 is 7. 8 and 7 is 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 1 and 6, 7. 7, Scorpio. Remember, O Buddha, those violent acts of your past lives. Now you have seen what the negative use of willpower is. Violence is the negative use of willpower. Jealousy emerges from within the lower worlds of reasoning and desire. A jealous man enslaves his wife and thereby makes a wrong use of his willpower. No one should enslave anyone. No one should coerce the will of anyone. One has to respect the free will of others. Nevertheless, the woman must faithfully fulfill her duties at home, not because of the coercion of her husband's will, but because of faith in the Lord. If you're religious, if you're not, take whatever resonates. The Lord could represent something that is higher than, right? The woman who abuses her freedom and thus is gluttonous, drinking, attending social groups, etc., falls into black magic. Temptations, ladies, temptations. The husband must take care of his wife as if she were a fragile glass, but respecting her free will in order not to coerce her will. Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands, as it is fit in the Lord. Husbands, love your wives, and be not bitter against them. Colossians 3:18-19. The fire has entered the 7th chamber of your body of willpower. This chamber is symbolized by the 7th card of the tarot, the Chariot of War. Enters into your chamber to celebrate the festivity, O Buddha. That's the 7th chamber. Justice. The Aethercanum signifies strong ordeals. It is rectitude, justice, equilibrium. One must seek for performing good deeds at any cost, because the masters of medicine, when in regards to someone who is sick and is dying, always intend to save the person because this is the law. It's talking about the law of karma, right? What you give, you receive. They accomplish the duty of performing good deeds. The initiatic ordeals are enclosed within the 8th arcanum. Kabbalistic Sephirah, Chad. Hebrew letters, Chet. Transcendental axiom. Thou shalt edify an altar within thine heart, but thou shalt not make an altar of thine heart. Forecasting element guarantees retributions, punishments and rewards, gratitudes and ungratefulness, compensations for given services. Justice. Innovation. 34:7. Innovation as an element of evolution symbolizes the virtue of undeviating human effort. Undeviating human effort, Scorpio. Undeviating human effort. Modulating attribute. It is associated to the planet Neptune, the letter F, as in family, and the number 7. There's 7 again. It represents the principle of self-inspiration as guidance for activities. Transcendental axiom. Length of days upon thy right hand, and works and honor upon thy left. I need to comprehend that. Length of days upon the right hand, and works and honor upon thy left. Forecasting element. As an element of prediction, Scorpio, it promises inventions, new enterprises, temptations, temerity, findings, some fortunate, others disconcerting. That's innovation. Contrition. Contrition 55. Contrition as an act of repentance, Scorpio, symbolizes the human virtue of recognizing one's own error. Modulating attribute. It is associated to the planet Pluto, the letter A, and the number 1. It represents the principle of voluntary repair. The principle of voluntary repair, Scorpio. Transcendental axiom. Do not sow an assortment of seeds in thine orchard, neither harvest them without thine heart. If it's not done with your heart, don't do it, Scorpio. It's just a suggestion. Forecasting element. As an element of prediction, it promises lamentations, spiritual afflictions, unpleasantness, unsatisfied profit, acquisition of material wealth by means of moral suffering. Hope something resonates, Scorpio. Like and share. Thank you. See you next time.